Hi and welcome to FynOne. Today we will look at the features available under the Pro plan subscription. So the Pro plan includes everything available under standard, and additionally it includes the compliance modules covering e-invoicing, e-way bill management, including e-way bill for delivery challans, as well as GST returns filing of R13B, etc., and the vendor to be reconciliation as well. So um, if you do not, if you are new to FynOne and you do not have much visibility of what are the other modules, please view the earlier videos covering basic plan and standard plan. So coming to Pro plan, once you are enrolled into the Pro plan, on the top you will see the symbol as Pro, and you'll have the date of end date for the subscription expiry, and you can go all the way down. The tax compliance modules under Pro plan becomes open. So apart from that, you also now have the option to generate IRN for e-invoicing as well as manage e-way bills. So how you would do that is you go to the account management module, you go to the pricing plan, you will see that you're part of the Pro plan. You will see this here saying your current plan, and then it'll put you under Pro. In that you will see this section called compliance. Click that link and you can then enter the details of the e-invoice, e-way bill, GST returns filing, etc. We have just given dummy username password, but you have you can click on this read more and understand how to add Finamex as a GSP on the IRP portal, which is NIC portal. So you will understand how to add Finamex as a GSP, and once you do that, you will update the API username password so that Finamex acts, FynOne, which is a product of Finamex, acts as a custodian of your data in hitting the government portals for e-invoicing, e-way bill, and other activities. So you can do those activities as far and to go and by going through this PDF documentation, and then you save that information and then proceed to do the IRN generation, etc. So wherever you create, now let's say you're in the Pro plan and you create a B2B invoice or an export invoice. So the moment you create, let us create a B2B invoice itself. So we give the GST ID of the customer here. Okay. Now we have auto fetch this information as a GST Suvidha provider. Now we just give uh, just one name of that customer, and then let's say it has certain item data. You can give the item details. Let's say the customer bought a mobile phone and that was priced at say 40,000 rupees, and the rest of it we just leave it as it is, and we just save this invoice. Now you will see this option here saying generate IRN if it is a B2B transaction or it's an export transaction. So if it's an export transaction and you have not filled the shipping details, then before you generate IRN, you will see this option here saying add the shipping details, where you have the shipping bill number and date, and then you can generate the IRN. Now you click on this, you will be able to immediately generate the IRN and also download the IRN invoice copy with the QR code, etc. So this is in our production environment, so I cannot generate an IRN for this demo, but let me show you on our sandbox environment of creating an IRN and downloading it. So in our sandbox, which is basically a staging environment, we go for the last 30 days. So you have this option here saying IRN, and then we generate an IRN. If there are errors, so there are a lot of fields that we didn't enter, so therefore gives a bunch of errors. Let me just see for certain data where we have IRN already generated. So we have one information here where IRN is generated. So you can view the IRN. So it gives you the acknowledgement number, the acknowledgement date, the IRN number, the signed invoice, and the signed QR code, etc. This is for information alone. But when you go scroll right leftwards, you can also download that invoice with the IRN details, with the QR code, etc. So it will give you the QR code and the IRN number, etc. All of these, and if it has e-way bill, then we also give you the e-way bill number. So this is available as part of the e-invoicing. Then coming to EWay bill. Now let's say you want this particular invoice alone for EWay bill generation. So you just select that particular invoice and you say dispatch stock. So this will send that invoice to dispatch stock module. Under inventory management, you have this dispatch stock module from where you can generate EWay bill. You can also generate gate pass. So you could and these are independent, so you can generate a gate pass, you can generate a e-way bill, you can also then download the e-way bill copy. So for generating e-way bill, you give the relevant details like transporter name, id, etc., and then if you want to enter part B details, you can enter that as well and generate the e-way bill, or you just generate a part A e-way bill. If it's a gate pass, you just enter again gate pass information, and then you can download the invoice, you can download the e-way bill, you can download the gate pass. If then you come back to download the invoice, you will then have the e-way bill number also added as part of that invoice print. So once you generate an invoice with e-way bill, the e-way bill number will get added as part of that invoice print. Right. So if you want to, then again the sandbox, let us quickly see if we have e-way bill generated. Yes, we do. So if there is a e-way bill generated, you will see this e-way bill number here, just for and allows you to download that e-way bill from here itself, and you can view that e-way bill print. So this is with the e-way bill print QR, and the if it has IRN already attached, then the IRN details, acknowledgement number, date, etc., and all of that vehicle information, barcode, all of it is available. So you do not need to log in into the e-way bill government portal. You can download everything from here itself. You can manage the generation and the management of that e-way bill from here itself. So you can download the invoice, you can download e-way bill, you can download gate pass, all of it can be done. So this is a sandbox environment. Please do not create production transactions on our sandbox. This is being done only for this demo purpose as part of the video. So these are available as part of e-way bill and e-invoice. And then finally, tax compliance include both the returns filing and the to-be reconciliation. FynOne is a product of Finamex, which also includes Finamex GST, our complete suite of GST solutions. And therefore, this is neatly integrated through single sign-on with our Finamex GST module. So you simply download the sales register with the document date. So you say these are the date range on which I want to download the sales register, and then you click here, you will get navigated to Finamex GST, and you will come under the GST Returns tab. So it will tell you for which PAN you are in on, and for which month you are filing the return, etc. In the GSTR one, you just select FynOne sales register and you upload the sales register. You then go ahead and file the return. So to know more on GST filing, please visit our Finamex GST video tutorial that gives you a complete detail of how to go ahead and do the returns filing of your sales data. And similarly for 3B, for 2B as well, you can download the purchase register and then do the to be reconciliation on Finamex GST. So there's this vendor reconciliation module allowing you to do the reconciliation of your purchase register with 2A or 2B data, and then identifying the matched, not found, and so on. And then also a bunch of various other features available as part of Finamex GST. And 3B on Finamex is automatically computed. So you just go to returns to GST returns and you go to 3B. The GST returns data will be auto computed based on the sales register and the data available as part of purchase register that you have reconciled with 2B. So all of those information is already available. You can also do GSTR6, GITC04, etc. All of those are also available as part of Finamex GST, where you can do ITC04, GSTR6. You can do the returns filing with a single one click of the action state-wise, and manage all your GST compliance within one single solution. So FynOne and Finamex GST both are interrelated, connected to each other. So your complete suite of e-invoicing, e-way bill, as well as GST returns and to be reconciliation can be managed with a single pro plan on FynOne. Right. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you had a good visibility of what is the pro plan. For the details on the other plans, like the basic plan and the standard plan, please look at the respective videos. For any queries, kindly reach out to your to the approved FynOne distributor, or reach out to us for any help. Thank you so much for watching.